guys, welcome back to 25 days of GlossyMas. So this is my GlossyBox advent calendar, 25 days of goodies. It was £99 for non-subscribers, and luckily I was a subscriber that month, so I got mine for £75. So far I'm not happy that with what I've got meets what I paid. I don't doubt that the products are, you know, of value, but it's just not, it's something that I wouldn't use. For instance, my Yankee candle, I didn't like the scent and colour. My NARS lip gloss was in a colour I would never ever wear. So yeah, but hopefully it gets better from now on. So we are on day 15, so let's see what we get. So day 15 is a little white box just with the gold writing. Okay, so we have an incredible product, a jelly shot. I've seen these on other people's videos. Again, it is sealed. If you're wondering what I'm on about the Eltoria thing. I spoke about it more in day 14, so go back and watch that. But it is sealed, so it's obvious products do come sealed. So now I see why everybody's so mad. But I'm going to open it because I want to see what it's like. But I've seen these and I wasn't sure whether they have like colour in them. Oh, so this one's gold with a white flower. I don't know how well you can see that. I'm quite far away from the camera today as well. Alright, so it looks like this one's just more... Oh, actually no, it's got some shimmer to it. Oh, it feels really soft. That is lovely. And it's got like gold flecks in it and a little white flower. Oh, I'm really happy with that. I desperately want the incredible calendar, but I'm just waiting for it to come down, because even now we're less than a week from Christmas and it's still the cheapest is £29.99 that I can find it. And I'm not paying that, so but no, I'm desperate for it because it looks really good. But no, I will definitely use this. But oh, it feels so soft, really soft and creamy. I use the green Vaseline and I literally go through pots of it a week because I just smother it on all the time. I cannot live without my Vaseline. So I'll definitely give this a go. But it's, yeah, it's left like a slight shimmer. It's clear, but it's a slight shimmer, but it just feels so soft. So yeah, I am really happy with this. So that's an incredible jelly shot. So yeah, really happy with that one. So that was day 15. So as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to go and watch from day 1. I've done every day separately. And don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a nice comment down below. And a share would be great too. And I shall see you for day 16.